All right, Scotty, what do we got here?
Okay, so this is how it came off the car. Okay. It's not very pretty.
It's not horrible, though. Ooh, did you polish the other side?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, my. Wow. All right, go back. Go back
Ready?
to the pretty.
So there's that one.
It's pretty. Not so pretty. Pretty. Not so pretty. Wow.
Now watch.
That's impressive.
And it doesn't take much. Now it's got to be washed on the inside to get loose dirt, debris, and whatever.
That was, you can just see it just down here. Way better.
So now remember, it's still got to wash the inside.
Yes.
So these haven't, no.
Yeah, that's unpolished.
Unpolished, not near anything. And this one is the passenger side. So let's come into the light. Come into the light, Carol Ann.
Wow, look at the difference.
Yep.
I want to get him ones that aren't crackled.
Well, that's what I said. I'm going to leave it up to him. I'm going to polish it. If we can't find one, we can at least put the original back in.
And it'll look halfway decent. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good polish demonstration. All right, well, until then, let's just hang tight on those the rest of the way. But
yep.
Now Bill has a nice little example.
Exactly. So I mean, this is what our shop is capable of doing with stuff that's in pretty good condition. So
there it is. Looking good, buddy.
there we go.
All right. Wow. Okay, that really shows it. Look at this. Let's put that right there for just a second. Oh, wow. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.